Gerelia ni goli tukoya lero abwakiri kururusagia arwa South Nyanza bakora Korobekana na gutwara Korobekana kwa mwarembe ilio bunenchire yamo yoko munyora omwakiri obo oyo bakabakago ito eserieta Mati Mbobu nigabaka bakora sarisa sino monto tamanyakaini imeyomochi o Nairobi nsemeria ya Karene Walikito weekly forenge niga akora roboti oru senchire ya bene na gutwara roboti rokobwatia
Magega y'umwakili Mati Mbobu goito gwetera soko rasoma sasi n'abantu batamanyakane timu yo mucyo Nairobi bono nigensema yabo wakili kurwa soro sage rwa South West Nyanza basokira na gutwara Korobekana ko murembe bunenchera ya muyogotenana nere.
We have turned up in large numbers to have a peaceful walk to show solidarity together with our fallen colleague.
We want to condemn the killing of our senior.
Okwana na mararia samagache bigambero bya Kisi Locals nigabo wakili abo baworokia obororo bwabo igoro yo gwetoko ya mobo na gokoruta maboli amange igoro yekikireto gweta kwa Mbobu.
And this is something that is being done across the country and across the 8 branches that we have in Kenya. We want to condemn the act of the shooting of our colleague in the highest terms possible, and we do pray that the perpetrators will be brought to book. When this happens, the senseless killing of an advocate, it is a threat to the rule of law, and it is also a threat to justice.
He was merely doing his work. As an advocate, you are just appointed to represent your client. It's not your matter, and why should you be killed for doing that?
Bona nigaba wakili abo basabire bitengo biribitene netobo tukinobolendi okorobo tukibuna mbwango ekikireto mwakiro yogo itwa kimanyakane.
So we condemn this and we urge the police to do their investigation so that the perpetrators will be brought to book and that our colleague will get justice wherever he is.
Go into the deep details and give us what happens. We want to know what really happened and why our colleague was killed in the course of his employment.
Naigoni batabire buna onyo monto wakolera mamochandonsi telebuja waitwa asenchire ngabune yo yatumegete ko moito mwakili Mbobu.
Whatever the motive, whatever sin anybody commits, nobody deserves to die the way senior died.
Know that we have agencies, we have courts, we have other ways of solving this. If someone has wronged you, there's channels to follow up for justice. So therefore we condemn this kind of act that was done on our colleague.
Bono niko yatigere ase bitengo biribitene netobo tuki gokora botuki bwabwango elikurwa machibwa bwango gochia asenke mwakili nyagosira Mbobu elisa nekenonye nekerarabe kwa sogotimuka kwaye ingo reporter ya Ensoko TV kurwa gasobo katakati bo mochibo songo eretariane Wycliffe Orenge.